What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. So it's pretty much the moment of truth. It actually just got in today. I've been waiting for this thing for quite a while, honestly. And well, first of all, I've been waiting to purchase this thing for months now, but I've always kind of like, you know, took my time with it, did my research, whatever you want to call it. But at the end of the day, I chose what I chose. I like what I like, and that's pretty much it. So before I go on and unbox this thing, because I'm so anxious right now, I really want to open this up because I want to see how it is, what it is, how it looks like. I want to show you guys, and I'm making this quick video just because I want to keep you guys updated. While I go ahead and set this up right here so you guys can see, why don't you guys go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel, show some love. Let's get them subscribers up there. Go ahead and put a like on this video. Trust me, that helps me out a lot. And don't forget to add me on Instagram at AlexRomedia. Show some love. I know a lot of people show a lot of love liking the pictures, and I show love back. So for you guys, for those of you who think I don't respond or anything, I always respond back. So unboxing. So well, one of the boxes I did open up because I just wanted to make sure that I bought the correct ones. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you that. I also have a kit that I unboxed. Again, I needed to make sure everything was in there because I got something, and I know you guys are gonna enjoy and like that. So let me zoom in a little bit here. So I know you guys are gonna enjoy this video. It's a bit late now, and I decided to just hop on the camera because I know a couple of you guys have been dying for me to get this. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you guys definitely saw one of the things I posted stating, should I go bigger turbo or upgraded turbo, or like what many people want to call it, upgraded turbo. You know what? Let me stop there. So yeah, guys, I got myself a pair of rotors. Yes, R1 concept rotors. I decided to just go with them and see how they are, how they do. And here it is in this messed up box, but let's open one up. I have front rotors and rear rotors. So here's one already. This thing is heavy. So I'm gonna take out a front and a rear, and I want to go ahead and show you guys. Look at this right here, guys. Look at this baby right here. So I got myself slotted and drilled. I've heard good things about it, and like I said, I may take long with my mods, but I do my research. I got myself these R1 concept rotors. I saw, I think, one review or two on the actual website I bought these from Euro Compulsion, and they said they run great, and they run great with the brake pads I've been looking into getting. But this thing right here looks amazing. Amazing. And look, it has its little slots right here. I'm sure you guys are aware of what rotors look like, but it has its slots over here. And yeah, so these I believe are the fronts. Let me go ahead and put this back. Now let's open up the rear. Look who it is, guys. Mikey Turbo. Say hi, Mikey. So yeah, these are the rears. Of course, as you can see, they're way smaller than the front ones, of course. Same, of course, as well. Drill and slotted rotors. And these do not have the little slots in the side here. So there you guys have it. Rotors are, well, been here, but was waiting to do a video to show you guys what's in the box. So I decided to go with this color. They do have black, I believe, but I decided to go with this, pretty much like stock color, I guess. Black, I feel like it looks nice. It'll just, the color will wear off eventually, so it's pretty much the same. So yeah, that's that. Mikey Turbo says hi. So I got this. Now I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys this first because, well, we're saving the best for last. So this, I'm pretty much, you guys are aware that when you order the turbo, right? Hint, hint. You need to get yourself a turbo kit. So here is the turbo kit. Aside for now. And I did open this up because I needed to make sure a couple of things were here. If I had, you know, the nuts and the bolts and things like that. So you guys can see all of these gaskets. Well, this little small gasket, I guess, goes into one of the, I guess, into the coolant line or the oil line. I'm not too sure, but one of the lines. And yeah, so that's that here. Again, I'm pretty sure this. So yeah, these are all gaskets and this is all hardware right here. Now I'm pretty sure this is something I have not opened, but by the way it feels, I mean, I guess I'll just open it for you guys. Yes. This is for the manifold. So yeah guys, all of that came in the turbo kit. So last but not least, turbo time. Yes indeed. There was actually a couple of you that said no when I asked if I should get a turbo or not. So I mean, I'd like to hear maybe why you guys would say no. Personally, me, this would be my first time really upgrading a turbo on any of my cars I ever had, even though this is actually my first turboed car. So don't get me wrong, the stock turbo is amazing, it's great on these cars, but I do like power. I do like, you know, I want more. I want the full potential of the Abarth. And I don't know, I feel like here it's pretty unique. Like, these cars are unique, and you don't see a lot of them, or at least, you know, they're not really known, I guess you could say, at least in my perspective. That's how I see it, and I'm pretty sure that's how a lot of you see it. The Abarth isn't really known that much, at least not yet, and that's what I would want and love, for it to just show up as part of, like, you know, these communities, just like Mustangs, just like Evos, just like Miatas, just like all of these cars, you know, they're all well known. So yeah, that's where I want to get to with this Abarth. Now, that is the reason why I went or decided to go turbo. Power, full potential of the car, and just so much fun on this car, man. I already have enough fun with this car and that turbo. I can only imagine what this is gonna do. Sorry for the lighting, guys. It's not the best right now, but turbo time. So here it is, right here in this box. Comes like this. Now, let's just get to opening. Oh, man. You guys have no idea, like, how happy I am right now. Like, let's pull it. Oh my God. Oh my God. this out, guys. This is amazing. You got your actuator over here. You see, this is the little flap that opens up. When the actuator pulls back, this opens up. So this side goes with the downpipe. You got this side over here now for your intake. And man, look at that. And then you got your blow off valve here. And yeah, guys, I honestly have no words. Well, there you have it, you guys. The Turbo 1446. Big turbo, upgraded turbo, whatever you guys want to call it. It is finally here. I am so stoked to have this installed. Now, I'm going to most likely have a video up for you guys on the install. I was planning to get this installed by somebody else, but maybe not. I might just do this myself. And if you guys heard me correctly in the beginning of the video, this is my first turboed car, and this is my first turbo upgraded car now. So, well, now I'm upgrading it. So I'm going to be installing this, and you guys will be able to see how I install it. And if I run into any hiccups, or if I just blow my car up, or I don't know. But you guys will be able to see that. It may not be step-by-step tutorial on how to install it, but I will try my best to show you guys what I'm doing. And if you guys ever have any questions on installing a turbo, if you guys ever do, you guys can always ask me, always DM me, message me, even in the comments. Go ahead and ask all the questions you guys have. And yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching this video. Peace.